I'm back for more office ergonomics tips and tricks. So today, you can interchangeably use either the pearl ball or the gold ball. So here I am, I'm sitting at my desk. First thing I want to do is just really get on those sit bones. I always keep my foot wakers here because they're just so good. Might as well just stimulate your feet while you're working, right? So this ball, you can scooch forward and you can place it at the base of the spine like so. And this will get you, I'm going to move my computer forward a little bit more now, and this keeps me really stacked. And my shoulders are over my rib cage, that are over my hips, my spine, and this whole area is getting a nice stimulation, and we can just work it up. And work it up. Right now I'm right in that space between the hips and ribs. Remember, I have a little back to my chair here. You must have a back. It can't be an open thing there or you can't use the ball. And then I can take it up. And here, when I get it here, I can really maybe I need to take a little break. I can put my hands underneath my shoulders. I can open and stretch. And then I can go back to work. I can work between the shoulder blades. And so you can do that. Same goes for the gold ball. It's going to be bigger. So I really like using the gold ball in this space here, right between the hips and ribs. I can take a break, take my glasses off, get the gaze off the computer screen, connect from front to back. Again, that stretch, just open up the whole chest, open up the arms, bring your shoulders down. Take a big breath and take the ball out. So play with them because you can just use different balls, the black balls, the gold ball, the pearl ball, and most of all, just take those breaks, reset your posture, and it's going to really help your productivity. So if you like this video, please share it with someone that could use it. Subscribe, like below, and leave comments with anything you might want to ask about office ergonomics, and I'll get back to you. And most of all, have a great day. Thanks.